New 2026 Adventure Motor. 2026 MV Augusta Enduro Veloce. New MV Augusta Enduro Veloce 2026, that born from Italian passion and engineered for limitless exploration. The powerful its 931 cubic centimeters triple engine delivers smooth, the responsive power on every surface, while the refined design and advanced electronics elevate every adventure. So how do you feel the Sport Adventure MV Augusta bikes? Please let me know your feel by comment below. If you have anything or didn't want to miss my new video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and click on the bell to see my new video each first. Thanks for watching.